Richard Fromage, the French Swiss cheese, and welcome to my fridge. Isn't it wonderful? It is so cold and cozy. No. I am here to answer the lifelong question that you are all wondering. Does the light go off when you shut the fridge door? Such a difficult question. Very, very difficult. And I know that you all want to know the answer. It has been troubling you ever since you were little and first discovered the fridge. The answer, my friends, is yes, the fridge door, when it closes, turns off the light. Yes, the light goes off when you close the fridge door. It is how I like it. Well, sometimes. Sometimes I do not like it, especially when I am trying to read a book. So, if you see me in the fridge reading a book, do not shut the light. Do not shut the door, because then I cannot read. And I do like my books. And picture magazines. Oh, that is all. Now I am not reading, so you may shut the fridge door. I like it dark. It is very romantic. Au revoir.